Train is departing. The next stop will be East Tremont Avenue. This stop, East Tremont Avenue. This stop, Grand Central Station. Change here for the 42nd Street shuttle to Times Square. Please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. Please do not block the doors. Stop, Vernon Jackson Avenues, Long Island City. This stop, Vernon Jackson Avenues, Long Island City. Stop will be 42nd Street. This stop, 42nd Street. Right clear. Please watch it and leave the train. Lock the doors. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your cooperation. The next stop will be Queensboro Plaza. This stop, Queensboro Plaza. This is number 2, 7th Avenue Express. The train is departing. Platform and the train. Next stop, Park Place. Park Place. Earl Tracy. Next stop will be 51st Street Woodside. This stop, 51st Street Woodside. Please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train. This is the number 2, 7th Avenue.